Why it's always been...
So, today, it's surprise lunch. So Antoinette has ordered some foods and she's cooking Filipino style or Filipino style soup with rice. So there we go.
Wait.
So she was struggling with the little knife. So we've just gone out and bought a chopping board. This one. And an orange knife and a white knife so that she can cut properly and she can cook well. There we go, she's going to make faces. So I will leave you watching Antoinette.
Hello. First cook food for you. First cook.
So Antoinette ordered the vegetables online last night with some pork ribs. It arrived this morning.
Very fresh.
Very fresh, very early. And Antoinette couldn't get up this morning. She was very, very tired. So she kept asking me to turn around and spank her bottom to wake her up, because her eyes wouldn't wake up. There we go. Oh, what are we doing here?
I'm just getting the edge.
Oh, there we go.
Banana and potato.
Banana and potato. So we have half ribs, half vegetables in the fridge, and then the rest, the other half, is here being cooked. Oh look, it's my Perrier water to keep nice and... Oh, look at that. The rice is cooking, the chilies are there, the vegetables are there. So Antoinette is available to do parties, bar mitzvahs, christenings and weddings. Okay? So if you want to turn around and taste Antoinette's tasty food, then you can send me your phone number and I will pass it on to her. There we go. Tasty, tasty, really, really tasty food. Tasty, tasty, really, really, really tasty food. So here we go. This is Antoinette with her Filipino pork rib soup. And we cooked this today using the rice cooker. And I say we, I just put 2 cups and 2 bowls in the cupboard here, and Antoinette did everything else. She did all the cooking. It looks very, very nice. So it has bok choy, corn, potatoes, camotes, banana,
Potatoes,
peppers.
corn.
There we go. And what else? What else is in it? What's in there, darling?
Pechay.
Pak choy. See, look.
Pechay.
So as I said, she's open for bookings. Anything up to 200 people she's okay for. Okay? She has a good rate of pay. Oh, there we go. She goes back to the rice cooker. We're gonna have something to eat now.
Yeah, we eat now while it's hot.
Come on then, darling. Let's go and eat. Would you like some tongue, darling?
Well, I'm gonna get some.
Okay.
Where's your plate? I'm gonna get your plate first.
Okay, darling. There we go. Look at that. Sorry about the movements. Very nice colours on the food. Very nice colours. Oh. We're vlogging on the balcony. We're vlogging on the balcony. We're having pork belly for lunch. Pork belly for lunch. Oh, very, very. Look at that. There we go. All cooked by Antoinette's fair Filipino hands.
I'm gonna have some tongue.
Here's the tongue.
Let's eat.
Yes, darling. Grace first, please.
Let's grace. Close the door.
Okay. So we close the door to keep the AC in. So the room is like 20 degrees when we go in. Grace, darling.